So the problem is construct a rectangle with AB as one of its sides.
Yeah, sorry about that. The clip and the audio broke. My phone's not really good for filming, so that's why it broke. It just dismantled itself. So all I do is I draw a midpoint on line A and line AB, and then I draw two circles with the center of A and B, and both circles pass through the midpoint. And then I also enlarge AB in preparation to draw a perpendicular bisector that is on the point A and B.
I forgot to mention you can you not only enlarge AB, you draw a circle, a smaller circle with the midpoint of B. Just it doesn't have to pass through anything. Just draw a smaller circle. So then the midpoint of the circle's intersection points of enlarged AB will be B or A if you're doing it with A. So then you can draw a perpendicular bisector where B is the bottom of the bisector. Sorry, my camera cut out at the end there. My phone turned off and my camera just cut out. But I finished drawing the perpendicular bisectors, as you can see. And these points, I've drawn points. Yeah, I've drawn points where the perpendicular bisector touches the bigger circles of A and B. And now what we do is we connect those points. And voila, there we go. A rectangle that uses AB as one of its sides. So this works because you know how when you're finding the area of a triangle, of like a right triangle, here let me draw real quick. You calculate the length times height divided by 2, right? Because you're essentially making double the triangle and like fitting the parts, right? And that goes for the same with obtuse triangles and acute triangles, except you like fit two parts from the top, right? You just take parts and fit it into a rectangle. So what we're doing here is basically the same thing. We're taking this top smaller triangle and just fitting it in these two spaces. Since if you draw a giant square, these two will equal, so then we know this plus this, since this equals to this, we know there is going to be the same area as this, so then we can fit this in to get a rectangle with the same area. So there we go. That's how you do the problem.